Okay, for installing Jupyter Notebook in your Python. Okay, you have installed Python. Now you can install Jupyter Notebook without installing any column editor. Okay, directly only the notebook. See how we'll do. We'll first go to command prompt and then directly pip install. We'll install every packages like this. Pip install in the package name. That is pip install Jupyter Notebook. See, it's installed. You need to have an internet connection here. Okay, and now we can check it. Okay, we can open it and check it. So how is it done? We'll write directly Jupyter Notebook. What we installed. Okay, so Jupyter Notebook. It will be open. Yes. Okay, it will open in your default browser. Now in this you can go to new and Python 3. Right, this is a new file type of Jupyter Notebook of, see the extension is IPYNB. Now we can test like print hello. Now we'll shift enter. Hello. Okay. See how to run? Shift and enter. Press shift and enter along and then you'll get the output there itself. So Jupyter Notebook is good for this. Now we'll also try another messages. So we'll be adding numbers. So it's also adding those. We don't have the codes there because it's not a string. Okay. This is fine. You can add, you can subtract, you can perform all the arithmetic operations. You can perform anything inside print, or you can write directly there 34 plus 45. That will also work. Now let's start coding. Python Jupyter Notebook is successfully installed. Right? Let us print that too. To make this pretty more creative.